everyone, welcome back to my channel and to today's video. So today I'm going to show you how to convert your boring old textbooks into bright, attractive, colorful textbooks which actually make you feel like you want to read and study them, and it also helps make the concept more stable in your head, and basically because it's so bright and colorful you are able to visualize the concept super easily. So the first step to doing this is to download the app Procreate. You can use other apps as well, but here I am going to demonstrate with Procreate. The next step would be to choose a bright colorful background color, and then you can bring out the color palette so that it's easier to choose the colors. Then using a script brush, write the heading in capital letters. Now you can use the text tool as well, but then I feel that using handwritten notes makes it more attractive, more original and more interesting. So next we're going to add in some shadow, and to do that you just need to duplicate the layer, move it a bit up or down and just reduce the opacity. So here I'm going to take an example of a series of resistors to demonstrate. So basically in my textbook school syllabus I have series of resistors right now, so I'm just going to demonstrate how I would create a sheet for this. So next what I'm going to do is, after I've used some bright contrasting colors to write the heading, use some shadows as well as some red colors here and there, I'm going to use brown to draw the diagram. Now I'm showing you a resistor, like an electricity example. You can use this technique for any subject actually, but the textbooks that I've made here are more or less for sciences. So what I've done is, in the center of the screen I have drawn the diagram and then labeled it using another bright color. The key here is to always use bright colors so that you can visualize the concept really well. And after you have done this, use another bright color and just write down the formula or the equation in case of chemistry or anything. Like here this is the formula, right? So R1 plus R2 plus R3, and then using another, this color doesn't have to be as bright as the rest because it's not as important, and you will use you can use a slightly like a less attractive color, and you can just write the key like I equal to current, V equal to potential difference, etc., like I have done over here, and resize everything so that it all fits in perfectly, like the end of the diagram is the end of the line of the key. And the last thing is create an icon. So for example, I have been creating this textbook for electricity, and when you think of electricity, normally you may think of a bulb. So I just drew a simple bulb, and on every page, just wherever there's blank space, I just duplicate this and twist it around, rotate it and put it. You will see what I mean when I show you the examples a little bit towards the end of this video. So this is also the last step, and using the grids is a great way always to create your textbooks. So this is how you should ideally be creating the textbooks for the best effect. So you can use this template if you want. And now here are a few examples if you want to create your own textbook. So these are the examples of whatever I created in my physics textbooks. So that was it in today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and also share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to try them out because they're really fun to do and helpful for your studies. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.